Alright YouTube, today as you can see I'm in my shed and got the four-wheeler in here. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I cleaned it. I actually cleaned it yesterday afternoon and it's looking really nice. It's the first time I've cleaned it since I've gotten it, and it's very shiny, everything. It looks almost brand new. But I'm going to be doing a little kind of a rebuild series on it. It's not like rebuilding a motor or anything. I'm just going to, put some new parts on it. And so this will be part one. And it's pretty much just going to be minor things that I'm going to be replacing. So today, actually just got in the mail a package, as y'all can see, and that is a new belt, and it's a heavy-duty Gates brand belt. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Alright, as y'all can see, here's the belt. It's, like I said, it's Gates brand, which is a really good brand. And it's, says G-Force on it right there. And it's the drive belt, obviously. And, so yeah. In these Polarises, they have a CVT, so they have a drive belt. It's right under there. So I'm going to get my tools ready. I'll get back with y'all, and I'll show y'all how to take it off and everything. The whole, everything you have to do to replace the belt. Alright YouTube, I'm going to be using my drill. It has a socket on the end. Uses a 3/8 inch socket, and I have my extender and everything. So first of all, I'm going to be taking off this. It's like a breather, just one bolt right here. There we go. And then just slide it on out. There you go. Put that to the side. Put the bolt over here so I don't lose it. And now take off the cover. Alright. Just one bolt. Second bolt. See, there's one down here. If y'all can see that. I believe there's one more. I think. Maybe not. That might be it. It does look like that's it. I believe. Actually, nope, there's still one more. It's up in here, if y'all can see that. And there goes my extender, but got the bolt out, or screw out. There's 4 screws. So you just have to kind of maneuver. It's kind of hard to do while holding the camera, but just lay that right there. Here you have your CVT, So yeah, it's pretty easy to pop the belt off. You just do that, roll it off, pops right off just like that. So yeah, so you can see this belt is worn out. I mean, it worked alright, but probably it really needs to be replaced because it's missing some of the fabric on this top layer. So yeah, the little teeth in the belt are actually in pretty good shape, but yeah, still gonna keep this belt just in case I happen to need it. I'm not gonna be throwing that away. I'll just put that over there for right now. Grab this belt. So yeah, just throw this away since I won't be needing that. This belt does not say, does not have like arrows saying which way is supposed to be towards the engine. So I'm guessing that it shouldn't matter, because if it was had to be put on a certain way, I'm sure they would have the arrows, because I've seen belts before for like another go-kart I have. I don't think I've ever shown y'all it, but on the belts on it, it has arrows to tell which way the belt is supposed to go on. So this shouldn't matter, like I said. And one thing I'd like to see is that it says made in the USA, so that's pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm actually going to put it on with the letters facing towards the motor. Just spin the front drive. Let's see. So push. Got it on. Hopefully it didn't mess it up or anything. I don't think that it did. Looks fine to me. So yeah. And like I've shown y'all, if it gets stuck down here, just turn the primary clutch. This thing's got a lot of compression, so it's kind of hard when it's in its compression stroke, but just turn it like that, and it should just get the belt right on. So yeah, looks pretty nice. Now that I have the belt on and everything looks good, going to put the cover back on. So putting all the covers back on and everything is pretty much just the same as when you're taking them off. Okay. And there we go. Now I need to put the screws in. And if you use your drill, make sure you put the torque down. I have it at like 10, so it won't strip out the threads or anything, or strip the head of the bolt. I'll put one of the screws in, just so just thread in a little bit by hand so the cover won't fall down. And I'll put another one in. Alright, and then you just, put it back in. See, one underneath. This wasn't lined up. Alright. And then one back here. When you put the torque to just like 10, it just kind of snugs the bolts. It screws up. It's not too much, so it's not screwed in too much, but it's not too loose either. So kind of hard to screw all this stuff in while recording, but yeah, we got all the screws in, and it's as you can see, this cover's on good. So now time to put this back on. Best way to put it in is put it in through here. Make sure that these wires don't get in the way. Just slide it on, and there you go. Now hand thread this in a little bit. And get the drill. Snug it up. That's all you have to do to replace the belt. Only takes a couple minutes. You can do it in less than 15 minutes, so it's really easy to do for anyone to do. So yeah, I hope that helped y'all out. Stay tuned for part 2, because I'll be doing a little bit more, doing some adjustments and stuff. But this weekend I plan on going to ride with my friend at the Okie Mountain Trails. So I'll be making a video on that also. But I'll put that video out probably after I'm finished with this rebuild series. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Because I'm trying to get 100 subscribers by the end of this year. It'd be awesome if you could help me out. Get me the 100 subscribers so I can reach my goal. And there's a giveaway at 100 subscribers, so you don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you subscribe right now, and leave a like and a comment. And also make sure you go and add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is Moto space Fab. Go and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is MotoFab_. There'll be my Snapchat and Instagram will be at the end of the video in the outro, just in case you want to see it typed out. And so yeah, like I said, subscribe, comment, like, and have a nice day.